Hey guys, if you want to visit a very nice place in Ankara, then this is one of the places you must be to. Anitkabir. Every year thousands of tourists come here to see some historical places, to take pictures, or to see the building right behind me. Yeah, this place also has some museums. You can see them, the smaller buildings right there. Yeah, and there's also one on the left too. Yeah, so if you are here, if you're interested in some history about Turkey, then this is one place you must visit. This is one of the most visited historical places in Ankara, Turkey. Exploring this place, I found something very interesting. If you can look behind me, there are people watching something in particular. They are watching the soldiers performing. I didn't even know something like this happens here. It's a very nice scene. Yeah, if you get to catch it, you really enjoy it. Look at a lot of people all gathered taking videos, watching the soldiers performing.
İstikamet! Yol! Uygun adım! Var!
We couldn't visit the museums. They say because of the pandemic it is currently closed. Anyways, it's a very nice scenery. Good to see a lot of people here, a lot of tourists as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share with friends, and I'll see you on the next one.